Rodents exploit gaps under doors, so install chew-proof door seals to stop entry now. Start by measuring the gap under your door accurately using a ruler and a rolled sheet of paper to see where light and air pass through. Choose a spring-loaded door sweep with stainless steel springs and a replaceable silicone or rubber seal because the spring keeps constant contact as the door moves and the soft lip still blocks drafts. For wider gaps, fit a heavy neoprene threshold seal that compresses against the door bottom. Cut it to length with a utility knife and secure it with corrosion-resistant screws, pre-drilling holes to avoid splitting the threshold. Add a metal kick plate at the base of exterior doors to protect softer materials from chewing, installing it so the lower edge overlaps the threshold seal by 1/4 inch to prevent a new gap. Check the concrete perimeter outside for voids and trim back loose soil and vegetation to create a hard barrier that discourages burrowing. Pour a small concrete apron or install compacted gravel and paving within 6 inches of the foundation to make tunneling more difficult. Finally, inspect and maintain seal integrity twice a year and after extreme weather by flexing seals, replacing frayed silicone lips, and retorquing fasteners so small failures do not become entry points. Homeowners often pick a soft sweep that rodents can gnaw through, so choose metal-backed or reinforced seals instead and follow up with a kick plate. People sometimes forget that thresholds and adjacent concrete are part of the barrier, and rodents will tunnel if soil and debris create a gap, so harden and grade the perimeter to eliminate voids. Another common error is over-reliance on a single product. Combine a spring sweep, heavy neoprene threshold, and metal kick plate, and inspect regularly so any single failure does not allow entry. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare approaches to rodent exclusion while letting contractors show their skills and win work. We also host a discussion community where we and other users share installation tips, photos, and product experiences.